Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook grilled shrimp. First, always opt for fresh, large shrimp, ideally 21 to 25 count per pound, for the best texture and flavor. Next, carefully peel and deveined them, but leave those tails on. They make for a beautiful presentation and are easier to handle. Finally, and this is crucial, pat your shrimp completely dry with paper towels. This step ensures a fantastic sear and prevents steaming on the grill. Now, let's infuse some incredible flavor into our shrimp with a simple yet delicious marinade. In a bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of good olive oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Toss your prepared shrimp in this mixture, ensuring each piece is well coated. Let them marinate for at least 15 minutes, but no more than 30 minutes to keep them tender. With your shrimp perfectly marinated, it's time to hit the grill. First, preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to lightly oil the grates to prevent any sticking. Arrange the shrimp in a single layer, giving them enough space. Grill them for just 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know they are done when they turn a beautiful pink and become opaque. Remember, shrimp cook incredibly fast, so keep a close eye on them to avoid overcooking and ensure they stay tender. Your delicious grilled shrimp are ready to be enjoyed. For the absolute best taste and texture, serve them immediately straight off the grill. A simple garnish of fresh chopped parsley or cilantro, along with an extra squeeze of fresh lemon, really brightens the flavors. These versatile shrimp pair wonderfully with a light green salad, a fluffy rice pilaf, or some complimentary grilled vegetables. Get ready to savor every bite of your perfectly cooked, tender, and incredibly flavorful grilled shrimp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.